Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool solid wood grilling cart. It's not just a grilling cart though, it actually has a built-in cooler that can actually keep your drinks fresh up to 12 hours, so that's really cool as well. I like the fact that it's solid wood. Everything came packaged extremely well, and because it is a solid wood and everything is labeled so precisely with these nice white stickers, it's very easy to see what everything is. They came with a nice instruction guide, and I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put together. Let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and push these together. Again, provide you with all the hardware. Now they don't provide you with a manual screwdriver, so you would need to have that. If you have access to a power screwdriver or drill, that obviously would be just fine. So here on step 3, it's got these 3 pieces. Now I find it really helpful to line up these pieces exactly as it shows in the diagram like I've done here. That way you get like piece number 11 here, know exactly how it's going to line up with these holes, the same as it shows on here, and then the 12 piece on the other side, and line it up, because if you don't line your pieces up, it's easy to get these swapped around, but as soon as you follow their easy to use instructions, it makes things a lot easier. Now what started off as what seemed like a lot of parts, you're going to build these little sections, and as they come together, you then are going to get to over here to about step 5, and you start attaching those sections together. So we're going to be using these plugs, putting them in place, and now taking these other sections we've already built, we're going to simply be putting these together. The next couple of steps just involved putting together a couple of these panels, which I've done, and then now using these G-pit pegs, we're going to start putting the pieces all together, which is going to add some real stability to this project here. So we're going to go ahead and line these pieces up and get them put in the pegs. This will help straighten everything out. I've got the other side on here. It's kind of building this little cooler you can see in here. It's using that styrofoam insulator. We're going to use these long A screws and put these in the corners, and these are going to really pin this solid wood together. And you can see that it's starting to take some good shape now. I installed this back plate onto here. With each piece that you put this in together, you really have to trust the process, because it really starts strengthening itself as you actually go and add those additional pieces. We're going to put on these casters. These are good quality locking casters. They're going to go on this end, and I've already put the other stable ones on the other end, but these actually lock, so we're going to put them on the right side, so that way when we're moving them around, you have a foot piece that you can then lock those wheels down when we're ready to not move. Next step here is going to be building our 2 drawers. I've kind of put that one together. They all go together with these pegs. Simply slide it over, slide everything together, and then these pegs are just going to slide in here. And then these are all held together with these E-screws, and so it goes together really well. I was kind of impressed with the amount of tolerance that was built into this. So now that this box is put together to secure it, we're going to use these E-screws, and there's actually just 4 of them in each side. Very simple, and we'll get it pieced together. I've got 3 of these glides on. These are pretty good quality glides, and they seem to be going on really well. They actually even have little spots that are marked that show exactly where to put them. So that's really nice that they've already got little indents to be able to get these started. That way you know they're going to line up exactly where they need to be. All right, built the front side of these drawers. These are really nice. They went together really easy, held together with those pegs and A-screws, and then put the handle on. They are going to be slightly offset, be a little wider on the one side because there's a little overlap on the one side. I would recommend putting on this backer piece and handle first, and then go ahead and installing these E-screws in the back to secure everything in place. That way it makes sure everything lines up. Drawers went together really well. They glide really well. I'm liking how those are built. There is a little bit of adjustments that have to be made to make sure that the tolerance gets fit in there, but once they work, they work. The door went together exactly the same way as the drawers with those pins and A-screws, and now we're going to put on these hinge O pieces. They're going to go on here just like it shows in the instructions, and the holes are lined up on there of how to put those, so let's get it put together. Top panel went on really easy. It was a nice fit. This piece here is actually going to go onto the back of this. This is on the cooler piece. We actually have the cooler top there, and it's going to hinge into this right here, but you've got to secure this piece into the back. So we're going to do that and then get the top mounted on. We're near the end here. We've just got to put on these little lifts here for the side, which is really pretty nice. It's going to allow the side table piece to be able to pop up. So I'm going to get those put on, and then we'll attach that top piece. Got everything put together. It all finished quite well. Has a nice bottle opener here added onto the side. This piece opens up, has a nice hinge here that allows for this to stay open. And of course they provide you with this wonderful drop box in here to even add additional insulation for your beverages. This whole thing lifts out. Went together really well, and everything seemed to work out nicely. This side over here had some nice hinges we put on there that allow this to come up and lock in place. Works really well. Looks like it'll support quite a bit of weight and has a release on there. So all in all, a really good, convenient storage compartment that we got put together in a relatively short amount of time.